Hey there, guys, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Beat Studio Buds review? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. So, guys, if you wish to buy this product, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this product, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. And guys, people from the United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about this product. So next guys, we'll discuss about the full details of this product, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So next we'll be providing you with the full details of this product, so make sure not to skip any points. So first of all, we'll check the product type, then its features, and lastly the most important point, that are the legitimacy factors. So let's begin. So now we'll check the product out. So this is the product. This is the original image of the product. And after checking this product out, we have found out that this product is a wireless earbud. And the full name of this product is Beats Studio Bud. And the price is $87.96. So next we'll discuss about the features of this product. So this is a true wireless noise cancelling earbud. And it comes from the brand named Beats. It is black in color, but it is also available in different colors like red and white. It is compatible with Apple and Android. It has a built-in microphone. It is also sweat resistant, and it is a class 1 Bluetooth headphone. And the item weight is 3.84 ounces. So you can check these features out. So next we'll discuss about the legitimacy factors of this product. But before going further, we request you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors. So first of all, we'll discuss about the availability of this product. So we have found this product in this website, and it is also available over a different website, and it also has got its own official website. So this is a positive sign. And we'll talk about the launch date of this product. So we have checked and we have found out that this product was first available on June 14, 2021. So it is a new product. Now this product also has got social media presence. It is available over Instagram and on Facebook and many other social media accounts. So this is also a good sign. And we have checked this website's domain age and the trust score. So this website was registered on 1st of November 1994, which means it is a very old website, and the trust score is 99%. So it is also a very good sign. So next we're going to talk about the most important point, that are the reviews of this product. So we have found reviews on Amazon with a 4.3 rating, and there are mixed reviews, but most of them are positive, and there are few negative reviews. So we have checked the reviews and we have found that one customer has said that pretty good, another one has said that amazing product, and one negative review says that not the best. So you can check the reviews. So guys, in the conclusion of the Beat Studio Buds review, this product seems like a legit product. This product, though it is quite new, but it has got many reviews. It has got many good reviews. It also has social media presence. And it also has got its own official website, and this website is also very old and the trust score is good. So it seems like a original product. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day.